Hi and welcome to session 21 of Revelation Online.
So we hope everybody is doing really well now that the restrictions are finally starting to lift.
In this session we are going to show you how to make your very own easy little puppet bee in time for spring.
So all you're going to need to make this is a piece of card. So we're using an old cereal box. If you have got them, a pipe cleaner would come in handy and some sticky eyes. But don't worry if you haven't, because you can use your cardboard to use those pieces to make them later.
And then on the practical side of things, you're going to need some scissors, you'll need some sellotape this week, as well as some glue. You're going to need a ruler, and you'll also need some blue tack and a sharp pencil. And then once you've found all of those, you'll need some pens or some paint or something to decorate with.
So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to draw 3 circles onto your piece of card. So we used an old jar lid to help us make the circles, and we also used the sellotape. So you can, once you've done your circles, all you need to make sure is that you have one circle that's larger than the other 2.
When you have drawn those and you are happy, it's then time to take your scissors and you want to cut all 3 of those out. You can get an adult to help you if you need it.
So once you've cut out your circles, you take one of the smaller circles and cut it in half like so.
When you have done that and you are happy, it's time for the fun part of decorating and turning your circles into your bee. So you want to take the other smaller circle and you want to colour that in yellow like this, because that is going to make the head of the bee. When you are happy with that, you want to take the bigger one and you're going to use your ruler and you want to draw stripes that are black and yellow on the bigger circle, because that makes the tummy. And the final stage is to add a little bit of colour to the wings like that.
So once you're all happy with all of your decorating, the next part is to add 2 sticky eyes if you have them. If not, you can draw them on to your face. A nice smiley mouth to make your puppet nice and happy, like so. And then it's time to take your pipe cleaner.
So if you do have a pipe cleaner, you want to take it and you need to cut off 2 little sections about this big to make the antennae. Once you are happy with that, you need to take your sellotape, and what you need to do is to sellotape these to the back of the head circle like so, so that it looks like this. Once you are happy with the head, it's time to take your glue, because we need to stick our bee together. So we attach the head like this, and then you want to attach the wings either side of your puppet like this. So stick all of that down together so that it looks like this.
So the last stage of your puppet is to make 2 little holes at the bottom of the tummy so that you can put your fingers on in like through and to make it move. So to do that, it's easy to use some blue tack and have our blue tack trick. So normally the blue tack will go firmly onto the space where you're working, but we're going to hold it up high so that you can see what we're doing. So you place the bottom circle firmly onto the blue tack where you want to put your holes. You take a sharp pencil and then you stab quite hard to make a hole, so it goes through the cardboard and through to the blue tack, and then remove your pencil. Then you need to take your scissors and then just cut around your 2 little holes. So an adult would probably be best to help with that. It's a bit fiddly to do, but there we go, we have our lovely puppet.
And that is your bee puppet finished. So thank you so much for watching session 21 of Revelation Online. If you did enjoy it, please react below and give us a share.
So remember to stay safe and join us again soon for some more crafty ideas at home.
Bye.
Bye.